ready?
Yep.
Sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Junior Boken. Happy birthday to you.
Sit goes for the fire.
No, I'll burn it.
Here.
That got for the cake.
Blow it out. Take the candle off and let him have it.
See what he does. Hi, Bubba. Get him. Pretty good dog. Evil doggy.
That was funny.
Look. Yum, yum.
He's got crap.
He still ain't figured it out, has he?
You eat it.
He don't like have my eyes on it.
It's gonna stare you down. He tore off the whole mouth.
Come get me a fork, Josie.
It's like, let's have a staring contest.
That's funny.
You gonna feed him his hand?
He's still eyeballing it. He ain't figured out what's in his hand yet, has he?
Oh, yeah.
You reckon he'll want it now? There's chocolate cake in it.
Dad.
Now set it over and see what he does.
Like, I'll go for it.
Try it now. Hmm? You still don't want it? Huh?
Set it down.
Get some more chocolate on it. What you want it then?
Don't give him too big a bite.
Try that.
He's gonna be wired on that.
He probably ain't gonna fool with it. He don't care for stuff like that. I'm trying to think what it was I had yesterday that he didn't like. Oh, it was the bubble gum. Remember I was blowing bubbles?
Yeah, it's just blowing bubbles.
And he was horrified.
And he kept on popping them and he didn't like them.
Well, was it good? You know some more?
figure it out. Now